So I spent a total of £10 at Emmaus. It's this plate, so blue dot is £1. So that's $24. One on Etsy for 21. Probably get about 15 for that plate, so 1 into 15, not bad. So this is another little Chokin plate, or Chokin, £1. That's not exactly the same. So that's similar, £20, probably or hopefully about the same. £1 into 13. Oh, this little Scotty dog, he's gorgeous. So that would have been £2. That's a green label. Crafty with coal. I had a crafty with coal bunny that sold, so I would hope to get about £6 to £10 for him. That's a nice decorative item. That would have been £2. Okay, so that has a glass insert, which mine doesn't have, and that would have been £25 that that sold for. I might price mine at sort of the £12 mark then. This really unusual studio pottery bowl, and it's got these initials EB or CB. Orange, so that would have been £4. So I've done some more digging, and I believe this is a Caroline Boostfield Gregory. So there's only 2 items that I can find sold for Caroline Boostfield Gregory. The jug was 23, so hopefully something similar. And not a great deal listed, just 1 item. So hopefully that £10 will turn into 20, 35, 50, 57 and 69, so maybe £70. So not bad. I'm quite happy with that.